We're going to do our math stories page today. So the first thing I'm going to do is write my name on my paper. And then I'm going to look at my first one. Show by drawing circles. Remember, the green ones are meant for kindergarten, the yellow numbers are for first grade, and the blue numbers are for second grade. But if you want to choose a different number or a harder number, that is fine. For this video, I'm going to do the green numbers. So the first number, the green number is 9, Jangaso. So I'm going to draw 9 circles to match the numeral. So I'm going to draw a picture to match the number. 1, Basic, Nij, Niswe, Niwin, Nanin, Ningodaso, Nijwaso, Nishwaso, Jangaso. Jangaso Wawiea. 9 circles. Then I'm going to go to the next one. My green number is 6. Then I'm going to read the number sentence. I'm going to read this math story. The boy played cards with his grandma. He gave her 6 cards. He gave her 6 more. I'm going to circle that number just so I remember to find that number again. How many cards did he give his grandma? So let's start with the first sentence. The boy played cards with his grandma. Is there any numbers in there? Any information that we need? Nope, no information that we need from that sentence. Let's try the next sentence. He gave her 6 cards. So I see the number 6 in there. So I'm going to give her grandma 6 cards. Basic, Nish, Niswe, Niwin, Nanin, Ningodaso. And then let's go to our next sentence. He gave her 6 more. So more means I'm going to add. So I'm going to add more, and I'm going to add 6 more. Basic, or Ningodaso, Minowa. Basic, Nish, Niswe, Niwin, Nanin, Ningodaso. How many cards did he give his grandma? So he gave her 6 cards, then he gave her 6 more. How many cards did he give his grandma? Let's count. I'm going to write the numbers in the circles. You don't have to if you don't want to. 1, Nij, Niswe, Niwin, Nanin, Ningodaso, Nijwaso, Nishwaso, Jangaso, Midaso, Ashi Basic, Ashi Nij. So Ashi Nij cards he gave her. 12 cards. All right, so I'm going to look for my green number. My green number is 8. All right, let's read our math story. The boy made a tower with 8 blocks. 6 blocks fell. How many blocks are still in the tower? So let's start with our first sentence. The boy made a tower with 8 blocks. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's my 8 blocks. Now 6 blocks fell. So to show that they fell, I'm going to X them out because they fell over. So I'm going to X out 6. Basic or Ningodaso. Basic, Nish, Niswe, Niwin, Nanin, Ningodaso. So I had 8 blocks and 6 of them fell. So I put an X to show that they fell. Let's read our next sentence. How many blocks are still in the tower? So how many blocks do not have an X on them? So Basic, Nij. We have 2 blocks that did not fall over. All right, our last math story. Grandma went 3 miles. I'm going to circle that number just so I remember it. Grandma went 3 miles by train each day for 4 days. How far did Grandma go by train in all? So Grandma went 3 miles by train each day. So each day she went 3 miles. So I'm just going to draw 3 circles. each day for 4 days. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Each day she went 3 miles. So I'm going to draw 3 circles under each day to show miles. So every day, day 1, she went 3 miles. Day 2, she went 3 more miles. Day 3, she went 3 miles. And day 4, she went 3 miles. How far did Grandma go by the train in all? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. She went 12 miles in all. Another way we can show this in an addition sentence is called repeated addition. So my first number is 3, and then I'm going to add 3 more, and I'm going to add 3 more, and I'm going to add 3 more. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So that's showing 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 12. We can do addition sentences like this too if we're adding more than one number. Or you can just write the number total in your problem. And then don't forget to take a picture and submit your work.